This past year, here at UNDP's Chief Digital Office, we launched our first global accelerator for digital initiatives called Digital X. With the challenge focused on protecting vulnerable populations in times of COVID-19, applications were open to all UNDP country offices. After 180 applications from 80 countries, 10 projects were selected across a variety of program areas. All teams received a dedicated coach, a pool of world-class mentors, and funding to support their Digital X journeys. And in Kyrgyzstan, UNDP Accelerator Labs partnered with the local startup Volatech to expand their gamified web application that teaches the principles of coding to youth. The games are so popular that their programming Olympiad expects to have 50,000 participants from 8 CIS countries later this year. And that's the first cohort of Digital X. The best part is they are just building momentum. If all goes well, the initiatives are projected to directly impact 1,136,000 lives by 2022. And with that, we must say thanks to the UNDP country office teams, UNDP Accelerator Labs, the external partners, the coaches, the mentors, our advisors, and of course, the government of Japan for making this happen. Thank you. It's been an exciting year of digital innovation at UNDP, and we are just getting started. Stay tuned for Digital X 2.0 launching in 2022. We expect it to be bigger, bolder, and working with more partners across UNDP and beyond.